I am pregnant! Oh God! Whoa!
Congrats to us! Whoa! Oh, we're having a baby. Thank God.
Mama! 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 Mama, guess what? Guess what?
I don't know how to guess now.
Mama, I passed my JAM. I got 342 in my JAM. Mama, what is it? You're not looking happy.
I am happy, my child. And I'm also sad.
Sad?
Where do I get the money to pay your school fees? You know your uncle abandoned us immediately he got married. Huh?
Mama, don't worry yourself. I will save up.
Save up? Or how?
Mama, don't worry. God will provide. I don't know how he's going to do it, but trust me, he's going to provide.
Amen. Amen, my child.
So be happy.
God will grant your heart desires.
Amen.
The way they always speak with faith, God will honor it.
Amen.
God will grant your heart desire. You will get to that level you are aiming and beyond.
Amen. Let me quickly rush up and arrange things so I can start heading to the market.
It's Bomma. Hey! You're a wonderful child. Let me just stay here and be thanking God, eh?
Mama, let me carry you inside first. Yeah?
Thank you.
Come inside.
Thank you. God, I thank you. Don't worry, just go. I just want to. Oh, God, I thank you. Thank you for giving me this grandchild that's always encouraging me. You use this child to be wiping away my tears. Help, God, I thank you. Please help her. Well, however she wants to get this money, Lord, please help her. Help this innocent child. Oh, God.
I don't want 4,000. 4,000. No, 1,000.
Why are you listening to 4,000?
Like this is 1,000. This is not the expensive.
It's not the 1,000.
No, I can do that.
This is because it's
They come out, they go, John. 5 we no get nothing for pocket. Walker, I can beg you to buy. You shall come up for you. Buy your plantain, no. Papa, then you like that one. Don't buy. Plantain is very nice. Buy your plantain. Buy your plantain. Buy your plantain, oh. Buy your plantain. Madam, you don't be like that. Eh? It's fine, I don't be like that. Buy your plantain. Plantain, yeah. Buy your plantain, oh. Buy your plantain. I got to walk like something really fast. Buy your plantain. Andy, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Well, I can see you sold all your plantain today.
Yes, I have.
Oh, that's good. Hey, I heard you passed your jam.
Yes, I did, and I just found out. How do you know about it?
Good. So that means you are going to come to my school.
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
Maybe.
You passed your jam, so definitely you are coming to my school.
Let's just say I just want to keep you guessing.
Oh, so you want me to be guessing? I see. Wait, you haven't told me what you do.
Mama.
You've sold everything, no.
Hey! I told you, God is on our side.
Hey!
I'm just saying.
You see, this your name is working for you. That is your full name.
Mama, thank you. No, let me quickly go and add on that set of.
You're going again?
Yes, now.
Won't you rest?
No, Mama, there's still time. Let me go. If I finish selling this one, I want to go and sell now. If there's still time, I'll sell again. Mama, let me hold this one. Yeah, hold this one. Let me use this one for, understand?
Hey, my good child. Hey! Chinkeme fola, Jehovah Zarame, help God, help this child. Help this my child. Look at the small girl that's supposed to stay at home, relax and enjoy life. He's already hustling at this early age. God, please help this child.
Mama,
no. Is that not too much?
Yeah, it's not too much. It's not too much at all.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Small. You should have waited for me to come and help. Be careful,
Take care of yourself.
Be careful,
Okay, Mama. Buy your plantain!
She's already calling her customers. Hey, God, I thank you for this child. Thank you. What would I have done without Jesus? so that when she comes back, she will have something to eat.
Sweetheart.
Babe. Welcome. Welcome.
Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Like, I'm tired and hungry. I hope there's food in this house.
No, I just came back not quite long.
Oh, that means we are ordering for food again.
It is what it is.
I'm tired of all this. We can't be doing this now. Honey, we need a maid. Considering my condition, we need someone to help out.
That's true. You know, I've also thought about that, but bringing a total stranger into this house, I am not comfortable with it.
Honey, we don't have a choice. But don't worry. The person doesn't have to sleep over. I mean, he or she will come in the morning and leaves once he or she is done with work. Okay? It's not going to be a problem. We just need to keep an eye on him.
Alright then, I'll check all these agencies that bring house helps. I'm sure we'll find someone.
Oh, you're a darling. Thank you so much. Don't forget to order for dinner.
Oh, sure.
Like, I want white rice with pepper soup.
I will.
Alright, I'll be inside.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. Oh, I'm so tired. What are you doing in my house? And why didn't you call me before coming?
Mama, how can you abandon your niece?
She is not my responsibility. She's not! She is your sister's daughter. And how is that my problem? How does it concern me?
Okay. She scored 342 in her JAMB exam. And I don't have money to send her to the university.
Mama, are you deaf? I said it is not my problem. It doesn't concern me.
Please, Abba. Please. I am not asking that you should take her in. I'm only begging you to support her. At least to pay her school fees.
Listen. Like I said earlier, she is not my responsibility. Get that into your skull. She's your grandchild. And I believe you and your son can take proper care of her. What is this?
Well, you know her father is late.
Is her father your only son? Huh? I am asking you. Allow me now. Let me have peace in my house. I said I don't have any business with whether she's entering university or University of London. I don't have any business with that, madam. Okay? Here.
No. Coming here was a waste of time after all.
Whatever. Well, this is the best thing to do.
Chizaram, hurry up now. Time is going.
Mama, oh.
What are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? Why didn't you call me before coming? You think you're the only one that knows how to speak grammar?
Mama, calm down. Isn't this what you want?
And what do you think I want?
Mama.
No.
I'm rushing to the market.
Hey, Chizaram. Come, drop that thing you're carrying and sit down. Unwanted visitor, sit. Sit down, my child.
Mama, I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem, ma'am. Oh, this is your auntie. Your mother's blood sister.
My mother's blood sister.
Exactly, ma'am.
Yes. My name is Amma.
Oh, nice meeting you, Auntie Oma.
Nice meeting you too.
But I'm sorry to ask, Auntie Amma, why are you here?
Oh,
I mean, you've never visited us before.
my dear. Mama had told me you got a higher score in your JAMB, but there is no money to enroll into the university. So, I'm here to help you.
Okay. Help me how?
Well, I will want you to work for me as a maid, and I'm going to pay you 70,000 naira per month.
Bia, it's again. What did you just say? You want your sister's daughter to work for you before you can help her? Are you not being wicked?
Like I told you earlier, she's not my responsibility. I need a maid, and she needs the money. I want you to understand that I can get a maid if I want, like right now. Or she, who will give her the money? My dear, you need to go to school.
Just stand up and get out of my compound.
I should leave.
I'm alright, you will get out!
Wait. How does it work?
Well, you'll be coming 3 times a week. And after you're done with your job, you will go. You don't have to sleep in my house. And I will pay you 70,000 naira per month.
So once I'm done for the day, I can leave?
Yes!
Can you listen to yourself? So this innocent child, if she finish work by 12 midnight, you push her away to go. You are very wicked. Amachi, will get out of my house now.
I will leave, ma'am. Just take life easy, okay? Zaram, please think about it. Once you're done thinking, get back to me and make sure you're first about it, because I might hire any other person.
Go ahead and hire the whole world, oh! Go! You cannot do house chores, lazy woman. Look at her. I mean, what is wrong with her? How dare she walk into this compound and start insulting us? Huh?
Mama.
How dare she? How dare she come here to insult us? So she can't help you unless you work. I mean, you suffer for it.
Mama, I know you're not happy. But if you ask me, it's good. I can still have time to sell my markets.
Chizaram, my child. Are you sure you're going to do it?
I will do it. Mama, you know I don't like being indebted to someone. So at least doing this work won't make me to be grateful to her or anyone. At least I will know I worked for the money.
You are right. You are a good child. And you'll be a great woman in future. No problem, my child.
It's fine. Don't stress yourself. Let me quickly wash and sell my plantains. Mama.
Oh, my good child. You'll be a great woman in future.
Amen.
You don't compromise your self-worth. And God will bless you.
Amen, Mama.
Take it easy. Take it easy, own one. Be careful on the road, though. You will sell this one now.
Amen. Oh, I hope so.
kind of human being is this? You want your own niece to come and work for you before you can help her. You're not. She didn't even say help. She said, "I'll pay you." Can you imagine this girl?
She said I'll be working 3 times a week. Huh? So whenever I'm done for the day, I can come back and sell in my market.
So how far is the place?
I don't really know. But for her to say I won't be sleeping over, that means the place shouldn't be very far.
Wait. Zaram, you said she's your mom's sister and you are just meeting her for the first time. Like, I don't understand.
To be sincere, I didn't know my mom had a sibling.
So why didn't she agree to pay your school fees since she's family now?
I don't know. And I don't even want to know. All I know is I'm going to work there so I can be able to take care of myself and Grandma.
Zarama, I don't think Grandma can agree to that. I don't think so.
Grandma, I know, will not say no to something that will better my life.
That's true. I guess so.
You know what? Guess I'll see that I need to deliver plantains to 2 of my customers.
Alright.
Take care.
Alright, take care. I will come to see you again, okay?
Since she's your late sister's daughter, right? Why don't we help pay for her school fees?
Honey, I'm not obligated to do that. I want a maid. And she needs the money. So that's my only way of helping out.
Alright. If you see so.
Yes. I know so. Thank you.
It's okay. Sam?
Sir?
The food was really, really good. I enjoyed it. You cook really good.
Thank you, sir.
Honey, why are you praising her? She's doing her work. She's paid for it.
Alright.
Ma, I'm leaving.
What's that? What's in the bag?
Rice.
Why?
Ma, you said you and your husband don't eat stale food. So instead of trashing the rice, let me just take it home so I and Mama can eat it.
Wait, you intentionally cooked food that we can't finish so that you take some for yourself and your grandma, right?
Ma, no. Ma, that's not what happened.
Listen, I paid you hugely. This should be the first and last you will leave this house with food. Do you hear me? Don't you ever try it again.
Yes, Ma. Let me just drop it back in the kitchen.
You're stupid. Come back here. If you drop it, who will eat it? Huh? Now get out. Get out. Leave.
Sorry, Ma.
Imagine.
What was that for?
Honey, you don't get it. If I allow that girl, she'll be leaving this house every day with food. And it's wrong.
Then what is wrong with it? Is she not your family?
Honey, everything is wrong with it. Like I said, I know what I'm doing. It's okay.
Mama.
Hey! Salam, my child.
Ma.
Hey, you're back.
Yes, Ma.
Hey, you're welcome, Mom.
Thank you.
So how did it go?
Thank God, though. I just did my work so I can get paid. That's all that matters.
Do you know I've been thinking?
About what?
I think this your auntie just wanted to pull her legs. Do you know that if you work hard for her, if you take your work serious, she might decide to be paying your school fees?
Mama, I doubt. If she wanted to help me, she would have done it without asking me to be her maid.
You're right too. It's my child, you're very intelligent. But anyway, just continue to give in your best. Do you understand me? Just continue to serve him with all your heart.
Mama, I'll try my best. I'll serve her with all my heart. It's true now. I came here with you.
You're going to eat rich people's food.
Yes.
While I was coming in, I saw a girl. Who is she? Oh, she's my maid.
Your maid?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, how can you hire such a beautiful girl as a maid? Do you want her to seduce your husband?
Oh, that. You don't need to worry, because I trust my husband. He doesn't have time for that.
Really?
Yes.
You see these small girls? Don't trust them. Don't trust them at all.
My dear, I don't trust them, but I know my husband very well. Besides, she doesn't sleep here.
Oh, she doesn't?
Yes, she leaves once she's done with work.
Fair enough.
Wow,
you're welcome.
Those girls, you don't have to trust them. Don't worry. She's just here to work, that's all. Okay?
So tell me, how was the day yesterday?
Aish! I'm feeling pains at my back.
I think it's the way you slept.
I don't know.
Why don't you just call in sick?
No, I have an important client to see. I need to really go ahead.
Like you're not feeling well.
I'll be fine.
Are you sure? Are you sure you will go? Sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry.
It's okay.
How do you feel?
Why are you asking me how I feel? Am I supposed to feel better? Well, I feel great.
Sorry, I know that was a lame question.
Good afternoon, Mr. Man.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was in the theater when you came in. Mrs. Sama, how are you doing?
Can you both start asking me how I'm doing? How am I supposed to be doing? I'm feeling horrible.
It's okay, calm down, okay? Everything will be fine. Please, just take it easy on yourself, okay? Meanwhile, Mr. Morris, please, can you see me in the office?
No, doctor, that's all I want to say. I want to hear everything. At least it concerns me.
Yeah, look, just tell us here.
It's fine. I'm afraid she may not be able to carry a child again to full term. Her womb lining is very, very thin.
What?
Wait, something can be done about this, right?
Yes, Mr. Morris. There are other treatments we can apply to that. But it will take a few years, which it might still not work.
This is my fault, Miss Courage. Why haven't I heard about this? I'm hearing it for the first time.
What? You mean your former doctor didn't say this to you?
No, he did not.
Well, I'm so sorry about that. Probably didn't check.
You know, miscarriage is a common thing and it can be triggered by any common occurrence. So, probably didn't check for the underlying cause of it.
So, without, I'll never be a mother again.
No. Who said that? Please, calm down. Take it easy. Of course you can be a mother. We have other options.
What options?
What are the options?
Yes.
Mrs. Anwar, we have the option of surrogacy. We have the option of adoption.
That doesn't make me a mother, Jojo.
Please take it easy on yourself, Mrs. Anwar. You don't have to give birth to a child. You don't have to carry a child in you for you to become a mother.
Just go. Just go.
I'll be in the office. It's fine.
You are telling me it's okay, Mama? You didn't hear what the doctor said? He said I cannot conceive anymore. Please just leave me alone, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
I am so confused. I don't know why me. Elena, why me? What am I going to do? Because I don't understand anything anymore.
This is really bad. Because he is going to leave you.
Yes, leave me. No. My Maurice will never leave me. It's not possible. He will not leave me.
Babe, I know your husband loves you so much, yeah? But I don't think a man will want a woman that cannot bear him a child.
Elena, yes. Tell me the truth. Do you think he's going to leave me? Do you think so? Tell me.
I am sure he's going to leave you.
I am finished. I am finished. I'm finished.
You don't have to.
Elena, I'm finished. I cannot have a child anymore. My world is shattered. I am finished. Hey!
Oh, that's okay. Don't have to be like this. Come on.
Just tell me he's not going to leave me because I am finished.
The only solution right now is prayer. Yeah, prayer. You need to pray.
Look, man, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry.
My wife is suffering. That's the worst. And I am suffering too. Instead of us to console ourselves, she's busy lashing out on me as though everything is my fault.
Guy, calm down. You need to calm down. You need to take this whole thing easy. You know, it's not easy for a woman to know that she's never going to become a mother.
I know. But this is the time we need ourselves the most. But all she does is push me away.
And that is the reason why you are the man of the house. You need to calm the situation. You have to. Listen, you need to take things easy with her.
I'm trying, but it's not easy.
But you know there are other options, right? We have surrogacy, we have adoption. You can try any of this too.
Doctor mentioned that for us. I don't think she's ready for that discussion now.
You can't decide for her. You have to give her time. This whole thing is not easy for her as well. Give her time, she will dive into that. I know she's going to understand it. Just give her time.
Thank you so much. What about that deal we talked about? Did you check that out?
That deal.
What are you doing here?
Please ask me to sit down. Just to make myself comfortable. I heard that your wife won't be able to give birth to a child. So, what do you want to do about it?
Whatever I decide to do about it is none of your business.
Morris. Child. I can give you a child.
Stop. Stop. Get up.
Morris. You know I like you. I mean, I want you.
Stop. What's the meaning of this? Get out of my office.
Morris, please, let's...
I said get out of my office. What is this? Leave my office, or do you want me to call the security? Go!
You don't have to be this harsh.
I said you should leave my office. Leave.
I'll get back.
Imagine this.
Auntie. 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 Oh, I'm sorry.
What do you want?
So, I'm sorry, ma. I just wanted to know if you need anything before I leave. Okay.
Wait. Let's go. Do you have a boyfriend?
What?
Like, let me put it this way. Have you heard sex before?
And so what kind of a question is this?
I just want to know. Zaram, listen. This question is very, very important right now. Very important.
Why?
Just answer the question first.
Auntie, I'm 20 years.
So, like, are you trying to say that a 20 years old girl is no longer a virgin?
I don't know, but what I'm trying to say is I'm too busy for anything, boyfriend or relationship. I'm too busy for that.
Sit. Sarah, have you heard anything about surrogate mothers?
I've seen it in a movie before.
Oh, now I want you to go look into it. Read everything about it. Okay? By the time you're back next tomorrow, we'll talk about it. I have a proposal for you.
Proposal?
Yes.
Why?
Don't worry. By next tomorrow, I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Bye.
Johnny's?
Yes, baby. She's perfect. She's a virgin and she's part of the family.
Don't you think she's too young? And this might ruin her life.
How? How?
You know men are very sensitive. And in future, when she wants to get married, this might be a barrier.
Oh, honey, this is 21st century. I mean Gen Z century. I mean, the world is exposed now. All we have to do is to pay her off. That's all. She's perfect for it.
So has she agreed?
Well, I have not discussed it with her. So let me talk to you first.
Alright then, when you're done talking to her grandmother, then you let me know.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Okay, I'm doing something in the kitchen.
Alright.
Ma, I have researched about it. And I understand everything about it.
Good. My husband and I want you to carry our child.
What?
Listen, this is my third miscarriage. And the doctor informed us that I cannot conceive anymore.
Ma, I'm so sorry about that.
We don't need your sorry, my dear. We need your help. Please, help us carry our child.
Thank you. Ma, I can't.
I'll give you 3 million naira.
Yes, 3 million.
3 good million naira. I'm going to pay 1.5 once you're pregnant. And after you put to bed, I'll complete it. Please.
I'm sorry, I still can't do it.
Zara, this is just 1 year of your life and everything will be okay. You'll be able to start your own business, take care of yourself, start school. Oh, yes. Just give me a second. Let me answer this call. I'll be right back. Hello. Yeah. How are you?
3 million. Wait. If I have this money, I won't be able to work for anybody again. I can even start up my own business and take care of myself and grandma. But I doubt if Mama will accept to this role.
Sorry to take your time. Now, what do you have to say? Are we good to go?
Auntie, even if I accept this, Grandma will not accept it all.
But you don't have to tell her. until you're due for delivery.
Ha! No. I have never done anything without discussing it with Grandma first.
But you said she'll not approve it. Listen, Zara. Between the two of us, I can get someone that will take care of this house. Like, seriously. But you, baby girl, you need this money. Build yourself, your future. You don't need to worry, you don't need to beg anybody for it.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir. I'm sure about it.
Have you discussed it with your grandmother?
Oh yes, we did. And she said my late sister will be happy that she is helping us.
Yes, sir.
Alright then, I would call the fertility hospital to book an appointment. They would run tests and start the procedure. That's if it's okay by you.
Sir, it's okay by me.
Yes.
Thank you so much for agreeing to do this for us.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, yeah. Oh.
Okay.
I will do what it takes, no matter how tough it is. I will do what it takes, no matter how tough it is.
What?
It's positive.
Yes! Oh my God.
So, when will I be getting my half payment?
Of course you will get it, but let's go to the hospital and confirm it first.
Okay.
So what will you be doing with the money?
Business. Well, no need asking. That's our agreement.
Okay, no problem. Once the doctor confirms it, you're good to go. I'll make the transfer. Let's go. Hey!
What? Huh? She gave you 1.5 million. For what?
Mama, it's a loan. She'll be deducting it from my salary.
How long are you going to work for her for you to make up the 1.5 million?
Mama,
how can you collect such loans?
See, that is why we need to start up a business with this money. Eh? We can start a boutique business or a provision store business. Yes, now, Mama, you'll be the one staying in the shop. And I'll be coming to assist you whenever I'm free.
Chizan, I still don't like this. I don't like it.
Mama, see, listen. Do you think this 70k she's paying me every month, if I start saving it up, I'll be able to get that 1.5 million? No. Mama, let's use this money to start up a business. And if God bless us, we have much profit. We can pay her up quickly. And I'll stop working for her.
You're making sense, so you know you're a small girl, but sometimes you reason like an old woman.
That's because you trained me to be smarter than my mates. Yeah? So tell me, what business should we start? This store is nice. I like the position.
Is it? Do you know what?
It's good.
Do you know what? Do you know people have already started coming to patronize us?
Hey.
We have customers now.
Mama, don't worry. God will keep on giving you plenty customers in Jesus' name.
Amen, my child. In fact, God will bless our efforts. Amen. I'm still shading.
Well, let me eat this your guy.
You will not come and walk. Eh? You will not come and walk, so you are eating gala. Don't finish our profit. Thank you things. That dollar is 200. Don't wait. No. I'm a daughter. Let me help you. This shop is very expensive. Very expensive. Very soon we'll add more things. Like this, like this stuff.
Babe, now that Zaram is pregnant, I think she should stop doing house chores. We don't want her to have a miscarriage.
Honey, you're right. And let her just move in here with us, so we can be able to take care of her and the baby. You know, this is her first trimester and it's very, very delicate.
Yeah, let her move in with us then. Yeah.
Thank you so much, darling.
You don't need to thank me. It's our baby.
Yes. Wow. You really enjoyed the food.
I did.
Wipe your tears.
Mama. Hey.
Just be strong.
That was my turn. Hey. Now.
Yeah.
Sorry. I know you're hungry. Let me quickly rush and make something for us to eat.
But you just said now that you're tired. So which strength are you going to use and cook?
Mama, that will not stop me from cooking.
No, I'll be the one to cook because that's why I came back early.
No. You've been in the shop all day. You need to rest. I will do the cooking.
Hey. Yeah! Come. Sit down. Sit down.
What happened?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just tired.
What? Are you feeling tired?
Hey, I'm tired now because of so much work, stress. Ow, mama.
Calm down. Let me. I know what I'm doing. It's paining you. And it's fuller. Even your waist is bigger. So, what is going on?
Mama, what do you mean by that?
It looks like you're pregnant.
I'm not pregnant. Mama, I'm not pregnant though. Why are you saying it like that now, Mama? See, stop saying this thing.
Let me go and get something for us.
I think I need to tell Mama the truth. I need to tell Grandma the truth. She's already suspecting.
You see, my husband and I have decided that you move in with us.
Move in?
Yes. Listen, we need to take proper care of you. I don't want you to be going around jumping from one place to another and later you have miscarriage. Okay, so just get your things and move in.
What will I tell Grandma? I doubt if she will accept. Besides, I'm the one taking good care of her. Who will look after her if I'm gone?
She's not an old person. She can take care of herself. As for what to tell her, don't worry, just leave it to me. I'll handle it. Good. Okay. Good. So, go bring your things, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. And I don't want to bring a stranger in my house.
Oh, my dear, in as much as I'm happy for this good news, but I want you to remember that we just started a new business with the loan you gave Zaram. If you take her with you, it's going to be helping me.
Mama, I'm very sure you can handle it. But if you cannot handle it, you can get someone to help you out. Someone you can pay. Once I put to bed, Zaram will come back. Please, just do this for me now. Please.
Okay, how long are you gone now?
It's almost 4 months now. Please, be calm.
I can see you want to do this because of the money she loaned us.
Hey. Mama. It's just less than 6 months.
But what about your school? Are you not supposed to start processing your admission by now?
Mama, I will go to school. But this is more important. You know, she said if I take good care of her, she's going to deduct 500,000 from the money we loaned from her.
Huh? She said that?
Yes. So don't worry about school. Next year, I will start school with the next set. But this is more important. Don't worry. I'll be coming here to see you often. And I will make sure I call you every day. Huh?
Oh, my child. Sorry, my child. I'm going to miss you.
And I'll miss
you.
Oh, I need to
Please make sure you're a good girl, eh?
I
behave well. Let me see you off. Don't forget where you're coming from.
I will do what it takes, no matter how tough it is. I will do what it takes, no matter how tough it is. Whatever it costs, I'll always stand by you. The pain will last for a while. It's never gonna be easy. But hope and patience will keep you going.
We are here now. Everything has been sorted out. So, I will show you the room. All you need to do is just to rest. Tomorrow morning, you're going to the hospital so you can register for antenatal.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Let's go.
Wipe your tears. Just be strong.
Amma, you said she's pregnant for your husband.
No, she's not pregnant for my husband. She is carrying our child. My child.
Oh. Oh, okay. Are you sure she's not sleeping with your husband?
Oh, come off it. I will explain everything to you at the right time, okay?
Oh.
No, she's just a virgin.
A virgin? So how will she push if her cervix is not open?
Well, we agreed on CS.
CS?
You know, she's not just my maid. She's my niece.
Oh! No wonder you can risk bringing another woman to your matrimonial home. No wonder.
Well, she's my late sister's daughter.
She's your niece.
Elena, you are paranoid, you know that.
But don't let her innocent face deceive you. Those children, they can be something else sometimes.
Elena, you are paranoid, you know that. But don't let her innocent face deceive you. Those children, they can be something else sometimes.
But don't let her innocent face deceive you. Those children, they can be something else sometimes.
So, you mean you don't want to take anything?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Let's just gist about. Yeah.
What do you want?
Morris, why do you prefer that little girl instead of me? Why do you want her to carry your child? Look at me, I can carry your child naturally.
Listen, leave my office and stay away from me.
Morris, I love you. I want you.
Listen, if you don't stop this nonsense you're doing, I'm going to tell my wife. What kind of a friend are you?
Yes, I'm your wife's friend. But I'm also a woman. I can fall in love. I'm in love with you, Morris.
If you don't stop this, I promise you I'm going to tell. Stop! Get out of my office.
Since when did it become a crime to fall in love? Why are you playing the hard to get here? Why?
Get out of my office. Do you want me to call security or push you? So kindly get out of my office, gently. I'm going to push you or call the security.
Okay, I'll go. But I'll come back. You will definitely be mine.
Get out of my office, please. What kind of a friend are you? Are you sure something is not wrong with this girl?
Stressed. Stressed? Yes. But I just had my bath.
Okay. But you really need to stop working for people. Why not start up your own business? What do you think about that?
Why?
To save you the stress of miscarriage when you get pregnant. That's if you get pregnant.
Alina,
Yeah.
my doctor said that my womb line is thin. I mean, it has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with work or stress.
Oh, I see. Anyway, that's by the way. I stopped by at your husband's office today.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's lovely.
Remember I told you that my guy works in his office?
Yes, you did.
So I stopped by to drop lunch and then a short visit to your husband.
Oh,
but he misunderstood everything.
why? Why would he misunderstand you?
I don't know. I didn't understand it. I mean, I don't know how he was feeling. Maybe he thought I was onto him or he wasn't friendly at all. Please, you really need to apologize to him. Tell him it's not what I mean actually.
Alina, it's okay. You don't need to worry. I know my husband. And I'm sure he didn't see it that way. But if he did, I promise you I'll talk to him.
Really?
Of course.
Amma, I don't want us to have issues at all. Please.
You will not. Come on, what will I offer you?
Come on, you know my brand already. Go get me my brand.
I do. Just wait for me, relax. I'll be back.
Okay.
Be careful those you call your friends, 'cause human beings, they are unpredictable. Be careful those you call your friends. Be careful those you call your friends, 'cause human beings, they are unpredictable.
Honey? What are you thinking?
Nothing.
No, come on, tell me. Talk to me. What do you mean by nothing? What is bothering you?
Your friend, Elena.
Uh-huh.
What kind of a friend do you think she is?
Oh, she's a good friend. Why do you ask?
Elena has been flirting with me.
come on, you're wrong. Yes, because she told me she was in the office and she wasn't there because of you. She told me her friend works there, her boyfriend. And she only wanted to greet you, but you misunderstood it.
Huh? Is that what she told you?
Yes. That she was even apologizing. But I told her that my man will never think bad of her.
It's okay, if you say so.
I know so. But come on. Not the reason why you're looking so worried. Let me have a seat.
Mama, I'm fine. I know it's been 3 months we've not seen. At least we talk on the phone every day.
So why have you refused to come and see me? Wait, oh, are you confined in prison?
In prison, okay? No, Mama, I'm not in prison though. If I'm in prison, will I be able to talk to you every day on the phone every day? I'll not be able to call you on the phone now.
Just that I'm beginning to get worried. Huh? If you're not in prison, why haven't you come to see me then?
It's not like I don't want to see you, but I'm very busy. Mama, 3 months time now, she'll give birth and I'll come home and see you.
Okay, oh.
I'm sure. Yeah? Stop worrying yourself. How is shop? How is your business going?
Well, shop is doing great, oh, and I'm fine. And your friend Auntie has been coming to ask after you.
Okay, don't worry, Mama. I'll call him. Huh? Don't worry yourself again. I'm fine. Okay, bye. Take care of yourself.
All right, my child. So what do you think?
I think she's happy and carefree.
I think so too. Each time she calls, she sounds very excited as if she's enjoying her life.
I think she's actually enjoying her life.
If she is, why has she not come to see me?
Mama. Okay, I think you should just go there and see her again or check up on her. Yes.
I've done that already. I've gone there twice to check on her. And the gate man keeps telling me both of them are not around. I don't understand.
Oh, you should know she's still your granddaughter. She's your granddaughter, so whether you go 3 times a week or 4 times, she's still your granddaughter. You just have to keep going to check on her.
You have a point. I will go there again tomorrow.
Yes, now.
Thank you, my son.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you for cold water. I'm tired.
They have not been giving us light.
No light.
They want it's cool, but it's not cold.
Anyone over, just give me.
Okay, son, come in.
Who be that? Una no get access to it. Mama, the mama.
How are you, my son?
Mama, dey.
How's your work?
Work just dey. Keep me where you keep me.
I won't see Zara.
Zara no dey. She follow madam comot now.
Again? Abeg, give me chair make I take sit down wait for am.
Mama, you no go fit sit down wait for them. But anytime when they come out, they like to waste time for where they go. And you sitting down waiting for them, I know they sure. Say you go fit waste that time.
Don't worry, just bring the chair. I go wait. Even if not tonight, I go wait.
Mama, I don't want to rest you. You don't need stress. We'll try to call them for phone so that where they will come back on time.
I'm not get credit.
You get credit? Yeah. Now small card I be there for phone. You go make a manage and
No worry, make I sit down.
No, Mama, wait, make I first call her. So that they will quick come back. And you don't do here, wait for them. Wait, make I first call her.
Okay.
You know? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Mama be there for gate too. Hey? She said she wants to see you.
Hey, you know what thing we do, eh? Tell her, I will call her. Eh? No tell her say I dey for house. Just tell her say I go call her.
Okay, you now they come back now, ba? Okay, no wahala, no wahala.
Okay.
Mama, I don't call her. She said they will come back.
She said that she dey come here. Hello, Chizaram. Oh, Chizaram Ekpere, my daughter. How are you?
Mama, what happened now? Eh? The man tell me say you come find me for this house. Mama, why didn't you tell me? See, I know they around though. I follow my madam go hospital and they don't give her bed. I'll be there to assist her.
Oh, Chai. So how is she?
Mama, she's fine. She's fine. The doctor talk say she go need bed rest.
Oh, I beg greet her for me, eh?
Okay, I will greet her. We are both fine. Everybody's fine. Just go.
Thank God. So, but you call me, Abi, when you come back?
They go back house. Eh? This time if you won't come, they tell me now. They tell me. Eh?
God bless you, my child, eh?
Alright.
They got up to them now.
I don't have you now. I don't have that. I don't hear her voice.
They know what.
Okay, my son. Thank you.
No what.
Bye bye, you.
You can suffer, yeah?
She don't go, Abi.
Don't go, I don't understand that.
Thank you.
Don't mention. Hey, I want to ask you this question. Why you hide from her?
Huh? See, if my grandma find out say I don't carry belly, she go kill me. She not go just kill me. She go kill your oga and your madam.
For your own picking?
Please forget about that one. See, I just dey pray. Make I do fast born this pikin. So I go fit come up from this house.
But now you carry the belly now.
I me carry the belly. But don't be me get the pikin. My madam and oga get the pikin.
How this thing when you talk now can be possible?
That's why I say I will see. If I born this pikin and they do am doing with this, you go notice say me and this pikin we don't get anything in common at all. Now them oga get the pikin. I just dey help madam carry the belly.
But now you carry the belly. Eh? And now they see this pikin inside your belly. So, hey, this Oyibo matter don't just tire me. It tire me.
My brother, now show me so I take siam. Eh? Show me so I take siam.
But you dey try where you dey do this thing for Oga Madano. You try.
Make I tell you something. Eh? I dey do this thing because of the money. The only money fit make me do this kind of thing. If not, I no go dey risk my life. They carry person pikin.
Money matter. Money matter. Yeah, you try yo.
Thank you. Eh? In case if she come again, come you. Eh? No allow her make she time. Don't tell her say I dey here. Anytime when she come, first of all you first call me.
Trust me.
Trust.
But you go give me my share. Money matter. This one no enter at all. He no enter. This one is possible. Okay, when you carry for belly, women they see with my koro eyes. You go tell me say no be this one get up. They talk say make your pikin no resemble your landlord. How you go carry belly? Pikin go resemble another person. You see this one? If I go agree for anything for this house, you see this one which you don't talk, I don't go agree at all. I don't go agree because I don't go agree for anybody this year. I don't go agree for this one. You go see him. This is what you tell me now. Make I go.
Help is on the way. You will see light in the tunnel. Keep pushing forward.
Very soon, all this will be over. You'll get yourself.
I can't wait. I seriously can't wait.
It is well. So, what's your plan like?
Oh. Go back to school and help Mama run her business.
You're a good girl. Thank you so much for doing this for me. I'm really grateful.
Thank you. Again, I mean, I have 3 million reasons to love you.
I like you.
I like you too.
Wow. I'm telling you the truth, good girl. Like, I am the luckiest woman on earth. My husband is very, very understanding. He doesn't have any problem at all. Yeah. And very soon, I'll be expecting my child, like my son.
It's a boy?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. I just hope everything works as planned. Definitely. Why not? If not,
Wow.
everything will be okay. Let me go get you the wig. It's orange and I know it fits you.
That's the one I prefer. The orange color. Auntie, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you? I'm fine, my friend. Come, Sam, come. Tiram, ma, do you just want to give away your child just like that? This child is not mine. Who told you? You're the one carrying the child. You're the one bearing the pain. Who told you it's not your child? Genetically, the child is not mine. It's theirs. No. Do you know you can make this child yours? You can fight for it. Yes, fight for it. You know, I'm 20 years old. I have a lot of things to do with my life rather than fighting over a child at home. Ah, you're so beautiful.
Yeah, she is.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just make sure you return it.
Hey, come on. You don't have to sound like that. Even if I don't return it, your husband is very rich. You can leave it for me.
I beg you, return it for me, please.
Even you're double. I'm his wife now.
You have to leave my office now.
What? Am I bothering you? Come on. Only waiting for my friend to come. Then I'll leave.
Hey.
Stop.
Come on.
Baby.
What's going on here?
It's not what
What was that? What's that? What's that? It's not what you think. Spill it out. Tell her she needs to know.
Babe, what are you trying to do? Babe, please.
Okay, Amma. We're in love, yeah. He loves me and I love him back. And he wants to get a divorce.
What? Babe, it's not what you think, honestly. Babe!
Hey! Don't!
Get out of my face! Get out!
What are you doing?
You have to listen to me. She staged all these things. She told me she was waiting for you.
Maurice, you are lying and you know it. Oh my God! How long has this been happening?
Why can't you believe me? I am not doing anything with her.
Really? Just leave me alone. Leave me alone!
Babe. Open
Cause human beings, they are unpredictable. Be careful those you call your friends. Be careful those you call your friends. Cause human beings, they are unpredictable. Be careful those you call your friends. Be careful those you call your friends. Cause human beings, they are unpredictable. Don't play with your emotions. It is better to be alone than to risk your life.
Auntie.
The expense of companion. There are wolves in ship loading. There are wolves in ship loading. Be careful those you call your friends.
Look at her. You demented rabbit. What are you doing in my house?
I came to talk to you.
Yeah, I know you're hurting. So I think you need to stop living in the dark. I tried hinting this to you, but you keep saying you trust him. So I decided to keep my cool. Elena, you've been stabbing me behind my back. How long has this been going on? Since your first miscarriage. I mean, this guy has been living with you in pity. He doesn't love you. We didn't actually plan this, but it happened. Shit happens sometimes, you know.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. How dare you? You slapped me. And I'll do it over and over again. You snitch! How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? You slapped me, yes, in my house. Stop! Stop! I don't care you! I don't care! I don't care you! Stop! Stop! Come on, let's do this. Really? Yes! I should come on.
I said you should stop.
Rubbish! Idiot! Where's my shoe? Rubbish! Rubbish! own you now. You're here, right here in my heart. Yeah, the love of my life. Hey. See some rubbish. Shameless man. You are a useless man. That is who you are. So you did not see any other person to sleep with but my own friend. Huh?
I am not sleeping with anyone. And that Elena is really not your friend.
Liar. You are a liar, Maurice. That's who you are.
Babe, I know that you're angry, but please, you really need to calm down and listen to me. I did not do anything with her.
You are telling me to calm down. I should calm down. But you were kissing her.
No! She was the one trying to kiss me and I was even pushing her away.
Really? Whether she was the first to kiss you or you kissed her back, kissing is kissing. Now listen. I want you to get out of this house. I don't want to see you here again.
Mama, don't do this, please. Don't do this, I beg you, please. Please.
Maurice, I mean every word of what I just said now. Go in there. Pack your bags and leave this house right now. Leave me. I don't want to see you again.
I did not do anything with her. Can't you hear me?
To be in love, down to risking your life in the space of companion. There I was.
This one you look like this. Hope everything is alright.
Yes, everything is fine.
Thank you. If you say so. Yes, the baby just kicked. Yes. Auntie. Good day, ma.
What was the meaning of that?
The meaning of what?
The meaning of what had just happened at the sitting room earlier.
I don't know what you're talking about. What happened?
Why were you holding her like that? You've never held me like that before.
Please, I am not in the mood for this. Please, I'm not.
Why won't you be in the mood? Are you sure you're not sharing this bed with her? Come back here.
Honestly, she's driving me crazy. How can she believe that girl over me?
Guy, don't blame her. You won't. You know, I'm sure if you bump into me kissing your wife, you would have done worse.
At least I would have still given her a benefit of doubt.
Benefit of doubt? Are you being serious? Are you being serious right now? Listen, bro. Because this thing not happen to you, they look this like saying less. Your wife is going through pain. She's heartbroken. Bro, she's heartbroken. She's feeling betrayed. Seeing her best friend and her husband. Come on now. Come on. I can assure you your wife is going through pain.
So what do I do?
You need to be patient. Calm down. Just relax. When she's back to herself, you guys can talk this whole thing out.
Honestly, we really don't need this drama at this point of time. Look, our baby is arriving anytime soon. We don't need this whole drama.
So you know, sir. Well, I can't wait till my godson to be here. You guys should go sort yourself out.
I swear, I did not do anything with your friend. You have to believe me.
I've heard you. Maurice, all I want right now is divorce.
What? Babe, what are you saying? Have you gone mad?
Of course I've gone mad, Maurice. I've heard it here. I am done. I am sick and tired of this marriage.
Babe, please don't do this. Babe, please, before you do anything stupid, ask yourself, what does your friend want from me? Why is she doing this to us?
Of course I know what she wants. She wants you. She promised you that she will have babies for you. And you know already that I cannot give you that. Will I stop her when you're already swimming in her ocean of love? Huh?
Please stop. Don't let her do this to us. What about our child?
It's none of your business, Maurice. Maurice, I'm done. I need a divorce.
Please.
Drop your legs. Drop it.
Auntie.
Who is your auntie? Look at the way you balance in my house. And be taking snacks with juice. Huh?
Ma?
Chizara.
Ma?
Hey. So you're not seeing yourself as his wife, right? Whose wife? You're asking me as your mate. Now, get out. Out! Get out. Where are you going to? Oh, nonsense. Archie.
Just be strong.
Hey!
Keep your hope alive.
In my house.
Don't give up. Help is on the way. You will see light in the tunnel.
The doctor gave me some prescription.
Why are you giving it to me? You should give it to your auntie.
She's not talking to me.
Alright, give it to me. I'll buy the drugs tomorrow.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I'm sorry to ask, but did you really sleep with Adinma?
No, it was a setup.
So, then try talking to Madam.
I'll talk to her when she's calm. But don't let that bother you, okay? You know you don't need to bother about anything now. Did the doctor say when the child is coming?
Yes, but he hasn't really given me the specific time.
I can't wait for the baby to be here.
Same here.
See light in the tunnel. Keep pushing forward.
You need to take it easy. Please. Maurice loves you. And he didn't commit any crime. I'm telling you.
Birds of a feather. You are defending him because both of you are the same. Now get out of my house.
Look, Amma, I know you have the right to be upset. I know it. If I'm to be in your shoe, I would do the same thing. But you need to listen to me. Maurice loves you. Come on. Because of mere rumor, did you even see your husband shitting or doing those kind of things? You need to think this twice. You look at everything you've enjoyed. Look at your life. You guys are living a beautiful marriage. Helena just wants to destroy your own because she's jealous of you. Think about it. Come on. Come on, take it easy.
Leave my house. Get out! Leave! Now!
I want you to think about it before it's too late.
Get out. Leave my house.
Auntie, maybe you should listen.
How dare you? Huh?
Your friend Selena. She said once I give birth to this child, I shouldn't give it to you.
What?
Yes. She said I can fight for the child if I want. I just want you to see the kind of friend you have.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that my friend told you not to hand over the baby to me?
Yes, she did.
Let's go to bed. I have forgiven you.
No.
Why no?
Because I haven't done anything that needs your forgiveness.
Listen, I'm trying to move past this situation. So better just come, let's go to bed.
We can move past it, but not you telling me that you're forgiving me like I did anything.
Whatever. If you don't want to sleep with me, no problem, you can stay here. Honestly, I can't wait. Like, just in 2 weeks, my baby will be here with me.
Same here. I can't wait to have my body back. Well, this pregnancy of within is very stressful.
And I hate thinking of the child self is more stressful. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. By the time you get married, all these things won't be a problem. You'll be used to it. Of course.
I hope so. I hope so. Because I'm not ready to pass through this stress again.
It's okay. Please remember to always exercise. You need to exercise all the time so that when it's time to push, you have the strength and it's very, very easy.
As if you allow me to forget. You always remind me now.
I want the best for you, especially the baby inside. I don't want any bad news at all.
At times, I wish my mom was here.
I miss her too. She was my best sister. But it's okay. I'm happy we are representing her. It's fine. Who is there? What do you want? Why are you here? Huh?
I came to see Morris.
What for?
It's none of your business. Just tell him I'm here.
Really?
Yes, really. Hey, Morris. Hey.
Morris, I came to see you.
What do you want?
Morris. I'm pregnant for you, yeah? You'll soon be a father. What?
Have you gone mad?
Oh, sorry. Are you trying to say you're pregnant for him? Yes, I am pregnant for my Morris.
Lena, stop. Stop this nonsense, okay? Elena, enough of this madness, okay? You've been taking it too far and I want you to stop now.
I don't like what you're doing right now, okay? I don't like it at all. You're the one that told me that you want a child from the natural way. You don't want her child. So now why are you acting like this? Why are you acting up? And now I'm pregnant. You should be happy.
I said you should stop. Stop this nonsense. Stop it now.
What is wrong with you? See, Morris, I won't take this. You've always put this person above me. Now and ever since you've put her above me. And I keep enjoying it, I keep taking it, but you see this one, I will not take it. I won't. And let me tell you something. I will not have a child without getting married to the father.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Don't I tell my wife that all this nonsense you're spewing is a joke?
I have made myself clear.
Stop!
We'll see again.
When are you going to come back and tell my wife that you're joking? Babe, I hope you don't believe the nonsense she just said.
Don't talk to me.
Babe, come on. Don't let her do this to us. I don't know what she's talking about.
No, Morris. You are the one doing this to me.
What am I doing? How many times have I told you that I don't have anything to do with her?
You know what? Get out of my sight.
Please, you have to listen to me, babe. Please, you have to listen
to me. Get out!
Guy, that babe get mind. What do you worry yourself?
I'm going to arrest her. I swear.
See, guy, you have to take it easy. It hasn't gotten to that. Because a lady that did this to you, she can go to any length to see your downfall.
But to what end? Even if Amma leaves me, I will never have anything to do with her.
She knows that, bro.
Then why is she doing what she's doing?
Envy. She's jealous of her friend because her friend is enjoying those beautiful lifestyle with you.
And Amma is even giving her a chance to ruin everything.
And that is why you as the man, you need to stop her.
Bro, I don't know what else to do. I'm tired.
Guy, just calm down. Don't bother yourself with this whole issue too much. Let's go grab one more bottle more today for the cool weather. You understand? Huh? Let's go. My G, calm down. Married man.
Did you go to her?
What?
You heard me. Well, I'm aware that you were with her. Because she called and told me.
And you believed her without evidence? Why did she not show you a picture too?
This is you. Now get out.
Wait, I don't understand. I should get out from my own house?
So, I am staying in this house until the divorce is settled. I'm not going to share the space with you. Do you hear me?
Amma, don't do this. Don't.
Maurice, if you don't leave this house, you are going to see the other side of me.
Auntie, I was looking, but you didn't respond. Are you okay?
Get out! Get out!
I just wanted to... Oh, okay.
You want me to push you? Get out! Nonsense.
I just want to remind you, are we not going to the hospital today? You know, the doctor said he should take me to the hospital this morning.
Really? So why didn't you call your lover to take you? Or is it that he doesn't want your child anymore?
Ma, what are you saying?
You know, I understand the fact that you always sit with Elena to compare how sweet and succulent my husband is in bed.
No! Ma, you know I will not do a thing like that. Besides, I'm still a virgin.
Hey! Amma, you're such a stupid girl.
You're an idiot. Is that why now? Is it because I did not pay your school fees? Like, you think I deserve this whole saga? Ma, believe me, I'm still a virgin. Good for you.
Going on? I can't believe, I can't imagine that because of this whole thing you are thrown out of your own house and now you are sleeping in the hotel.
Baba, I just want to give my wife time so she can calm down and think. If I truly want Elena, then why am I trying so hard to get back to my wife?
Honestly, that Elena of a girl, she needs to be arrested if you ask me. Why can't you just bomb into someone's home and begin to destroy the home? It doesn't make sense.
I will not give her that power. I will do everything possible to get back my wife and my family.
That's the best decision you've ever made.
My brother, I beg, enough of all my drama. This file, I want you to go through it and tell me what you think.
I don't
no go fit do this, you know. I don't know that I did this in the bed, oh. Yeah, I don't know that I did this in the bed, oh. Yeah, run my back. Go back now. Yeah, I don't know that I did this in the bed, oh. I don't go again. Yeah. I go feel so bad this season. I go feel so bad this season. I go feel so bad. Yeah, madam. We don't reach out. Don't my back. Don't man. Not my back. Go back. Yes. Forget now. Oh, doctor. Doctor, where's the baby?
I'm happy you're weak. Meanwhile, one of the nurses is feeding him. He woke up and was screaming very, very hard. So I told the nurse to take him out to feed him. Meanwhile, he slept for too long. How do you feel now?
Grudgy.
Sorry about that. Meanwhile, what about your auntie and her husband? Why are they not here? I'm saying this because, if we hadn't made an arrangement and signed before now, it would have been a problem.
I know. I guess they're fighting.
Fighting? Over what?
I don't know. I was almost giving up. Thinking that I'm going to die and my grandma wouldn't know what killed me.
You don't have to worry, okay? Everything will be fine. You have gone through a lot of stress, so don't add to that, okay? I'm going to call your auntie's husband. I'm going to get him informed. But meanwhile, I will send one of the nurses to get you hot pepper soup. I'm sure you like it.
Thank you, doctor.
Alright. Keep on resting.
Thank
Go
you.
ahead.
Wipe your tears. Just be strong.
Zara, I'm very sorry we weren't there for you. Please, forgive us.
It's okay, sir.
I have asked them here to take good care of you. And when you come back, my wife will continue from where they stopped.
Okay, sir.
Doc, Mr. Morris. Wow. And how is my breathless patient doing?
It's bravest. No, doctor. I was screaming on top of my voice.
You have no idea what other women do when they are in labor. You were very strong.
Doc, my wife is really busy at the moment, so I'd like to hire a personal nurse to take care of her and the baby. I need someone that is kind and caring.
Okay, that won't be an issue. I'll just find out to sort that out.
Alright, please just make sure you give her whatever it is. Anything they need to be happy and taken care of. Please just do that.
No problem, Mr. Morris. You have nothing to worry about.
Thank you.
We are going to take good care of her. And she's very strong. Okay?
Madam, welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, madam, I get one to go get this for you. Zara, don't go.
What did you just say? Sarah don't born.
You don't born.
Where is she?
She's in the hospital.
I see. Who took her to the hospital?
Now me carry and go hospital. But as Oga come, you can come back and sharp.
Do you know you're stupid? You mean you left my house to take someone to the hospital? Are you okay?
Madam, I make sure say I lock all the doors, even the gate. Make sure say even one single.
Shut up and leave my sight. Nonsense.
I need to know why people no go happy for other people's success. Eh? I mean, I even blame myself why I give you this good news.
Auntie, good afternoon. Auntie, I was expecting to see you in the hospital. You didn't come to the hospital to check on me. Bring my baby inside.
Hey, madam, see your bag.
Carry on, please. Auntie, you're here. Your baby is crying. I think we should go and check up on him.
Are you talking to me? Are you not the mother?
No, he's your son. Well, I'm hungry.
Are you expecting me to wait for you?
No. Auntie, you know I just gave birth. And with operation, at least you should assist me in my condition.
Oh, shut up. Close your mouth. Close it. Oh, you think you have a say in my house? Huh?
No. That's not what I mean. Well, if you don't want to take care of me, then it's fine. You can employ the nurse or co-employed at the hospital. At least you can come here and assist me.
My dear, listen. Now listen carefully. I want you and that thing you call a son out of my house. What? You're asking me? I said, get out with that nonsense you call a child. Out of my house, get out! Get out! I'm serious. How audacity.
Chizaram, how can you do something like this? How can you risk your life this much without even telling me?
Mama, I'm sorry. I know if I had told you, you would not accept to it. And we needed the money.
Which nonsense money? Which nonsense money are you talking about? Can that money buy your life? Eh?
But Mama, apart from the money, I wanted to help them as well.
You want to help who? You want to help this your wicked auntie that refused to help you? Do you think she would have done this for you if she was in your position? Eh? Okay, look at where it has gotten you. Look at it now.
Mama, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I'm deeply sorry. I'm sorry.
You know what? If not that you just gave birth, if not that you just gave birth, you know what I'm capable of. I would have twisted your neck. I would have twisted your ear. And I would have hit your head hard on the floor. But it's okay.
Mama, please take us home. I don't want to stay here anymore.
Take you which home? I'm not living here. I'll wait for Marachi to come back and meet me here. I need to give her the peace of my mind. She will come here and meet me before I leave.
Well, I'm going to now.
Hey, don't worry. Let this baby sleep well. I'll look for whether she has something, whether she even has food stuff in her house. Stupid girl. And besides, the cold is much. Let's go inside. Take it easy, eh? Take it easy, my child.
Mama, what are you even saying? Why talk as if she's a minor? She's 20 years old and she's an adult. It's not my fault, of course. It's not my fault that poverty and greed made her do what she's doing. You should blame yourself for that.
Me?
Yes!
Poverty and greed. You must be very stupid.
Yeah, I'm saying the truth.
Very stupid.
Auntie, please. Auntie, I won't be here and watch you talk to Grandma like that.
You know, it's obvious that you don't like when someone is saying the truth. Well, listen to me, you both. Go in there and pick that thing you call a son out of my house.
Eh?
Yes!
He's your child.
Thunder fire, you dear. I don't want him again. I don't. I don't have peace of mind in my house.
Why are you begging her? Why are you begging her? You want her to kill that child? This one? She will just kill that child. Go and get him, let me get out of here.
You can say whatever thing you want to say. I don't care. Bundle yourselves out of my house.
Yeah.
If you like, you insult me.
Go and take the child.
I am done. Out of my house.
Auntie.
I will slap you. I will slap you. I say get out. Try it now. Don't auntie me.
Come and try it.
Auntie,
come and try it and I'll deal with you. Who are you?
I'm respecting you, Mama.
Don't respect me. Show me I'm ready for you.
Start leaving. Nonsense.
Go bring my child. Let me get out of here.
Get out. Follow her. Why are you still sitting down?
Let her bring my child and I'll leave.
Hey!
The pain will last for a while. It's never gonna be easy. But hope and patience will keep you going. Wipe your tears. Just be strong. Keep your hope alive.
everyone is going to know.
And so? If they know, so what? Are they perfect?
Mama.
Eh? Look, let me tell you. You should be thanking God that you even survived this whole thing. Most of them you are seeing that are pretending to be single and searching, they have washed their child is in the gutter. You are not the first to. You are not the first to give birth to a child out of wedlock. So just forget about what anybody feels.
Mama, you don't understand. This is not the plan. The plan was to pursue my academics immediately.
Chizaram, get well first. Heal first. Then we can talk about other things later.
Okay, what about my balance? The 1.5 million that's supposed to balance me.
You are still talking about money, this girl. You are still talking about money. If you had died, would you be here talking about money? You should be thanking God that you are alive. Look, money is not everything, no. Money is not everything. I have made up my mind that this my great-grandchild, I'm going to take care of him very well. With all my life.
Mama, he's not your great-grandchild.
What are you saying?
Mama, that child is not mine. He's not my blood. His spirit can come any moment and claim him.
In this my house, I am waiting for them. Look, Shizaram, you've done your own part. Leave the rest for me. Are you hearing me? I'll take it off from here. Don't need to bother yourself about anything.
Mama, thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking good care of me.
You are my life. You are my hope. You are all I have, please. I'll go out of my way to make sure you're comfortable. Yeah? Silly girl.
I know I'm silly.
Help is on the way.
Okay, I'm coming home.
Mother, you told me that you refused to sign the divorce papers that I want. Why?
I will not.
Why?
Because you're being foolish.
You are the one that is stupid and wicked. Or you want me to remain your wife while you go around doing whatever you want? No way, Maurice. I am going to fight for my freedom, and that's on period.
You can go ahead and say whatever you want to say. But I am not going to let Adinma ruin my home.
And I will not let that your nonsense move me. Of course, I'm immune to your lies. And this time around, I will not entertain it.
Babe, can you just ask yourself? Okay, what happens when I give you the divorce and you find out that I'm telling you the truth? Just see it this way. I'm trying to save us from future embarrassment.
Maurice, I will not entertain your rubbish. I am going to fight for my freedom. I promise you that.
Keep your hope alive. Don't give up. Help is on the way. You will see light in the tunnel. Keep pushing forward.
I'm tired. I can't take this anymore. The stress is just too much. I can't take this. I can't even touch my husband. He doesn't even sleep with me. I need to go to somewhere, new environment where I can, let me get myself.
Help is on the way. You will see light in the tunnel. Keep pushing forward. Everything will be okay. Everything will be fine.
It's still so painful being here. I guess I have to learn to live with this pain, this emptiness.
Keep pushing forward. Everything will be okay. Everything will be fine.
I need to go for lectures. I don't want to be late today. Mama. Mama. Hey. Mama. I was just going to the shop now to give you the baby.
She's sleeping.
She's not sleeping. I'm going for lectures. I don't want to be late today. Please just help me look after him.
You're not going to lectures today.
Why, Mama?
I just got an information that price of goods are about to skyrocket. So I want to quickly go to the market and buy before they will start adding prices.
Mama, but Chineye is in the shop.
You know how active this baby is. Chineye cannot combine minding the shop and taking care of him.
Hi. I can't meet lectures. If I miss this lecture, it's going to affect me.
Same here. Me, I can't leave my business, so I can't leave my shop.
Okay, you know what we're going to do? I will just go to school with this child. Although I'm not the only one that brings her child to school. Everyone already knows I'm a single mother.
That's the point. You see what I'm saying? That's the spirit. There's nothing to be ashamed of about.
The only thing they don't know is I'm a virgin single.
And that makes you a special person. Praise, 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 praise. Are you hearing what we are saying? Are you hearing what we are discussing? Let me go. You go in, let me go and get ready. Okay. You didn't take umbrella. I don't want them to beat my great-grandchild.
Hey, Zara.
How long have you been waiting?
Don't worry, not quite long.
Well, this young man here is coming with us.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, please. He's so cute.
What?
Wait, let me carry him. Come on.
No. You want to carry him. So people will start thinking you're the father.
And so it's nobody's business. Okay? So just give me the young man. Let me carry him. Yeah. Wow. Hey. So cute.
See, I don't want your mother to start screaming on me.
See, little man, don't mind your mom, okay? She loves saying nonsense. You know, we the men, we love having our backs, okay? You scratch my back, I scratch your own back, okay?
Mommy, come. Let's go.
So handsome. Yeah, don't mind your mom. You know, she's a little bit disrespectful. But you, I'm gonna take good care of you right quick for our lesson. Yeah. As it should.
Yeah.
Wow.
I carry some food.
It's your bag.
It's been over a year now and she still hasn't changed her mind. I think I should just give her the divorce she wants.
Is that what you really want?
No. I love my wife. I love the family that we built. And I haven't even seen my son since they left the hospital.
It's really sad that Elena won.
I know. There is nothing else I can do now.
Nothing else you can do, nothing else you can do. You know what? I think we should go to your house. Yeah, go to your house and probably talk to her one last time. And you can also use the opportunity to see your son.
Talk to her one last time. What difference is that going to make?
Bro, you say you don't want the divorce, right? Yes, let us go to her house and try to talk some sense into her. You have nothing to lose. Nothing.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to pick the rest of my things.
So you're ready to sign the divorce papers?
If that's what you want.
What I want? You know I didn't want any of this. You forced it on me.
I did not force anything on you. You're the one that chose to believe your friend instead of me.
So we are still on that.
It's been 9 months now. If truly I got Elena pregnant, why am I with Nonso? Why am I not with her? And by now she must have given birth. So why am I not with Elena and our so-called child? As far as I know, Elena is not pregnant, neither has she given birth. Think about this before you continue your drama. Excuse me.
So, Alina has not given birth. Hello? Baby girl, how are you? How have you been? Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not forget you. You know, I've been busy lately. Yes. Of course. Please, I want to ask you a question. Have you seen Alina recently? Like, has she given birth? No, I heard she's pregnant, so I'm just calling to know if she has put to bed. So she's not pregnant? Oh my goodness, my bad. Okay, darling. See, I'm in a haste. I will call you back later, okay? Alright. Yes, come over me. Of course, I'm immune to your lies. And this time around, I will not entertain it.
Babe, can you just ask yourself, okay, what happens when I give you the divorce and you find out that I'm telling you the truth? Just see it this way. I'm trying to save us from future embarrassment.
Maurice, I will not entertain your rubbish. I am going to fight for my freedom.
I promise you that. Please,
Come on.
Be careful those you call your friends. Be careful those you call your friends. 'Cause human beings, they are unpredictable.
Honey, it's not over. I am sorry.
What did you just say?
I am sorry, Morris. I should have listened to you. You said it repeatedly, but I didn't believe you.
Are you saying that you believe me now?
Yes. I now know the truth. I'm sorry for all I put you through, Morris. I was very, very upset and the fact that
That's what? You couldn't carry a child? Babe, it is not your fault. It's not as if you did something that made it that way. It's just a medical condition.
Yeah. Are you going to leave me? Like, are you going to blame me in future?
Mama, I love you. And marriage is for better, for worse. In sickness and in health. That was the vow we made to each other.
I love you so much.
I love you too. I've missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Where is the baby? I haven't heard him cry.
I let him go.
What do you mean you let him go?
I asked Zaram to live with him.
You asked Zaram to take our son? Why?
You don't understand. I was confused. I thought maybe you never gave your consent about having that child. I asked them to leave because I was not concentrating anymore.
It's okay. I understand. Don't worry, we're going to get our son back. Okay?
Wipe your tears.
Mama! Mama!
Just be strong.
Mama! Auntie Amma sent you 1.5 million.
Why would she be sending money to you?
I don't know. What if she wants praise back?
Hey! Nebe! In this my house, she can't try it. Oh, you think I will sit down watch her take away my great-grandson?
But Mama, what other reason will it be for her to send me this money? Other than she wants her son back.
Look, she has sent money. Accept your money. That was part of the agreement. But as for taking my great-grandson, that will be over my dead body. Let her come. I'm waiting for her. I'll use this and cut her oyibo leg.
I just hope so. Because...
Don't bother yourself. Come.
We are very, very sorry for everything. Please forgive us. Find a place in your heart to forgive us, please. We beg you. We are here to take our son home.
You're here to do what?
To take our
Which of the son?
Our son.
Who told you he's your son? Eh? Who told you he's your son? Look, let me tell you, you don't have any son here.
Mama, he is our son, not hers.
She is the one that carried the baby for 9 good months. So, he is her son.
Mama, you lie. This is our baby.
Do you know you don't have shame? So after you deceived my granddaughter, you made her go through pains. And at the end of the day, you abandoned her right there in the hospital. You have the mouth to come and start demanding for your son.
Mama, did you say I deceived her? She's 20 years old, for crying out loud. She's an adult. I mean, she's old enough to take decisions. How did I deceive her? Mama, please, if there's anybody you should blame, it's yourself. Yes, it's not my fault that you're poor.
Oh, really? So I am poor. Me, I am poor. You know what? I think I have had enough of this your nonsense. I want you to get up from that seat and get out of my compound. What? Why? Get out of my house.
Let's go.
Go where? Without our son? We're going to come and drag him.
Let's go first. We'll come back.
You want me to leave our son for them?
Let's just go.
Let's go! Get out! Come and see my child now. Come and carry him. Think I will allow you. Oyoshi. Thief!
This is what I've been avoiding. You know they will still come back, right?
Let them come now. I'm waiting for them. But let me tell you, there's no way I will sit and watch them take this my great-grandson away.
Mama, yes, he's my son. But genetically, he's theirs.
That's none of my business. You carry this baby in your womb for a month and give birth to him. So invariably, he is your son.
Babe, you need to calm down. You need to calm down.
I am not going to calm down. That woman wants to steal our son. I mean, I can't even believe that Zaram is part of this whole thing. I'm not coming down.
You need to calm down first. Calm down so that we can think.
Come and take me out of this place.
Babe, you were the one that breached the agreement.
So? He's our son.
I know he's our son, but I'm just saying we should tread carefully.
Tread carefully. You said? Listen, honey. If they prove so stubborn, we will take them to court. Period.
To court?
Yes.
Mama, are you the one saying this? You and I know that there are no laws guiding surrogacy in this country. If anything happens, they are going to claim damages.
You see? So they want our money. Of course, it's obvious. It's our money that they want.
I am just stating what's going to happen if we take this matter to court. By the way, why did Grandma say you deceived Zaram? Why is she saying it now? Why didn't she say it from the onset?
She's not aware of it.
Excuse me?
I'm so sorry. I did not tell you.
But you told me you were going to talk to her about it and you said she agreed.
No. I didn't tell her.
That's bad now. That's bad.
I'm so sorry. I lied to you. You wouldn't have agreed to it if I had told her.
Babe, that is still wrong. Very wrong.
I know I have not committed any crime. Zaram is an adult.
It's fine. We'll just find a way and resolve the things.
I want my son home. Please.
It's fine. He's going to come back on my promise.
you'll probably get them to pay for damages.
Damages? You mean money?
Yes.
We don't want their money. And we are keeping my great-grandchild.
Mama, technically, he's not yours.
What do you mean by that?
If they run a DNA test, it will show that the child is not related to Zaram, except maybe as a cousin.
But she's the one that gave birth to him.
A surrogate mother, not a biological one.
And you're confusing me the more. You're throwing me off balance. How can a woman that carried a baby in her womb for 9 good months deliver the baby and you're telling me she's not his mother? How is that possible?
Mama, it's called science. Yeah, it's all science. I believe Zaram knows about it.
This is what I was trying to avoid. That's why I wanted them to take him immediately I give birth to him. I don't want to be attached to him knowing fully well he's not my son.
Now you love him so much and you can't imagine giving him out.
He's my son, yet not my blood. He's not mine.
Zara, I understand how you feel right now, okay? Honestly, I understand everything. You know, though I didn't give birth to him, but the thought of not seeing him as often breaks my heart.
What am I going to do? Andy, I don't want to lose my child. I don't want to lose him. I don't want to lose praise.
Don't worry, okay? We'll just figure out what to do. Everything is going to be alright. Okay?
I hope so.
Alright, clean your tears. Don't cry, please.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, let's go inside. Alright.
Oh, please, I'm so sorry. Just forgive me.
You're sorry? That's not enough reason for doing what you did.
I know, but we are family and we shouldn't be fighting.
Eh?
Please.
Did you just say family?
Yes, Mama.
You mean the same you are saying family? You that I came to, pleaded with you to support us with her school fees. What did you tell me? You told me she's not your responsibility, blah 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 blah. And now you remember we are family. Eh? Oma, we are not your family.
Please. In fact, my husband and I have decided to give you extra 2 million to take care of whatever expenses you've made concerning the child.
Do you think all this is all about the money?
Oh, after you came here to call us poor, you are here again to offer us money. Look, we may be poor, but we are not greedy. We don't need your money. Okay, Nania, we do not need your money.
Mama, I will be very happy if you accept this money. However, if you don't, then be ready to face us in court. And I just wish you have money to hire lawyers.
Is court your house? Is not your father's house? Or is your father a lawyer?
Mama,
this girl is so arrogant. I mean, what does she think she is?
Mama, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I've been trying to avoid all this.
Me, I like it. Let her come. What can she do? I like it. Let's go to court. If I don't have money to hire a lawyer, I'll be a lawyer for myself.
It's a good deal, you know, but you can actually ask for more money. Yes.
I don't want their money. All I want is praise. I can't afford to be cut off from his life.
Okay, how about you ask for visitation rights? Yes.
Visitation rights?
Of course, I am sure the court might grant you that.
But what if they don't accept to it? What if they don't agree?
Sarah, they don't want to go to court either. So you just tell them it's the only way you can give him up. Okay?
I will have to speak to Grandma about it.
Okay, see, don't worry, Zaram. You won't lose your child. Okay, see, just have it in mind that this is the perfect solution for everyone. All right, please. Okay.
Okay. I see. My auntie can be very stubborn.
Ah, Zaram, you too are stubborn. You are very, very stubborn too. You just have to stand firm in your decision. That's just the best thing. Okay, please.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome. See, you have to pay for my expertise. Okay, I might not be a lawyer, but come on, I deserve a pay. Okay, it's not easy to be thinking like this.
No matter what, you will forever be my lawyer.
Yeah, I will hold you to that too. I am your lawyer.
Hold me by my word, you will forever be my lawyer.
No problem. So are you ready? Let's go and get our usual. Let's go.
I wouldn't want to be cut off from his life. So I will act like his cousin. Maybe when he grows up, you can tell him the truth.
Why are you saying this? It's not necessary. I mean, we are family. Right?
No problem. It's fine. Babe, I know we haven't talked about this, but we have to tell him the truth. If we don't, he's going to hear it from outsiders. And believe me, it wouldn't be nice if he hears about his origin from outsiders.
Wow. It's okay, but I don't like this.
It's the reality. And there's nothing to be ashamed of.
Okay. It's okay.
We don't want the compensation.
No. Please take the compensation, okay? You bought baby milk and diapers for almost a year now. Just take it.
Yes.
You know, I checked the prices of those things the other day at the shop, and I was shocked to see that all the prices have skyrocketed.
Things are really, really expensive now. In fact, since last year, things just escalated. That's why I had thought there's no need. Besides, like you said, we are family.
Yes.
Let me have the baby.
No. He doesn't do well with strangers. So I'm thinking, maybe I should just stay here for a while until he gets used to your faces.
It's okay. That'll be fine by us.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Zaram, thank you for everything.
It's fine. Hey!
Zaram! I missed you so much.
Miss me.
Yes, though.
But we saw 2 days ago now.
Come on, I miss going to school with you, coming home. I missed everything. Please just tell me you're back fully now.
Yes, I'm fully back.
Thank God. How is my son?
He's fine. I was thinking, maybe we should go see him this weekend.
Wow, seriously. Honestly, I can't wait, okay? Because I miss him so much.
As for me, what's on my mind right now is how to graduate from that school.
Graduate, okay? Like seriously, you just entered school and you're already thinking about...
No, I'm tired. School is not for the weak.
You just entered Zaram and you're already thinking about graduating. Just pray that strike doesn't hold you down, because if you have to graduate in 4 years' time, believe me, strike will make you graduate after 7 years.
Eh?
Yes.
Anyone, we are down to it.
Well, let's get going.
Honestly, you don't have any shame. Elena, like how dare you? How dare you step your feet in my house after everything you did to me?
Mama, please, I am asking for your forgiveness. Since I did what I did to you, my life became shattered. My guy left me. Nothing is moving for me anymore. I don't even see the light anymore. Everything is terrible with me. Please forgive me.
Was that why you tried to destroy me? Huh?
I was jealous. I was so jealous of you, Amma.
Jealous of what?
Amma, you were doing well. In all your endeavors, in your business, everything was moving smoothly. And your man loved you despite the fact that you couldn't have a child. So, all those things made me jealous. I am sorry.
Oh my goodness! Can you listen to yourself? You mean because of all this, you tried to destroy my marriage? Hyena!
I'm sorry, Amma. It was not intentional. Please forgive me.
Well, I want you to get out of my house! Get your miserable self! John! John! Take this thing out of my house. Right now!
Amma, please forgive me. Please, Amma. Remember the love we once shared. Remember the past, our past love. Remember how we eat together, how we dined together, Amma.
Well, I've forgiven you.
Just like that? You forgive me? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Amma. Thank you. Can I see your son?
What? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Are you okay? Listen, I forgave you because I want to free my heart from the hate. Not because I want to see you or have anything to do with you. Much more of bringing your useless and miserable self before my son, my precious son. Now, take your stupid self out of my house. John, do your work. And if you fail to do it, you will get fired. Now leave!
Yes, you don't carry this a wiggly ways. They carry this in Nash. Where they pump when you get. You don't know, say, Organa 01. Why you are done with this is on 02? Me, the chief secretary for this house. Now,
okay, shut up, me. Get out.
Oh, you still get back to talk. Before me, I go relate the dog inside me now. Make you get out from this place now. I can say you now. He said the one with the carry this thing. Get out. Idiots. Nonsense. Okay, I don't get. Never mind. I go.
Touch me now. Make you know what's happening.
You see your nurse don't talk. It's not to get in here.
Mama.
Come on, for expert. Come on. Listen, all of them are going to truth. They give up food. Not really never do. That is why I don't respect myself. Nonsense. Make I see you for this house. Now I take God I go punish you. Because this is not been happening with me. No see as you don't have to
what it takes, no matter how tough it is, I will do what it takes, no matter how tough it is. Whatever it costs, I'll always stand by you. The pain will last for a while. It's never gonna be easy. But hope and patience will keep you going. Wipe your tears. strong. Keep your hope alive. Don't give up. Help is on the way. You will see light in the tunnel.